Hi guys, I'm Jyotishwaran from Biomedical Department. I'm going to speak about the LASIK eye surgery, the oral presentation. First of all, we should see the contents. Introduction to eyes, common problems, LASIK eye surgery, working and procedure, instructions, benefits, side effects, before and after the surgery, final outlook, and the conclusion. First of all, we should know about the eyes. Human eye is a sense organ that reacts to light and allows vision. Rod and cone cells in the retina allow conscious light perception and vision, including color differentiation and perception of depth. Now see that we can see the parts. Cornea, clear front window of the eye that transmits and focuses light into the eye. Iris, colored part of the eye that helps regulate the amount of light that enters. Pupil, dark aperture in the iris that determine how much light is let into the eye. Lens, transparent structure inside the eye that focuses light rays onto the retina. Retina, nerve layer that lines the back of the eye, senses light and creates electrical impulses that travel through the optic nerve to the brain. Macula, small central area in the retina that contains special light sensitive cells and allow us to see fine details clearly. Optic nerve connects the eye into the brain and carries electrical impulses formed by the retina to the visual cortex of the brain. Vitreous, the clear jelly-like substance that fills the middle of the eye. Now we'll see the common problems. Myopia, nearsightedness. Hyperopia, farsightedness. Astigmatism, object both near and far appear blurry. Presbyopia, common vision problem for old age. So in this, we have the non-surgical correction option and the surgical correction option. In non-surgical, we shall use the glasses or contact lens to rectify these problems. In surgical, we have the topic LASIK our topic. So what is LASIK eye surgery? So the LASIK, which stands for laser in situ keratomyelitis, is a popular surgery that can correct vision in people who are nearsighted or farsighted or who have astigmatism. It's one of many vision correction surgeries that work by reshaping your cornea, clear front part of your eye, so that the light focuses on the retina in the back of your eye. So, working and the procedure. The step 1 is suction ring is entered over the cornea of the eye. Step 2, the microkeratome creates a partial flap in the cornea of uniform thickness. Step 3, the corneal flap is folded back on the hinge exposing the middle portion of the cornea. Step 4, the excimer laser is then used to remove tissue and reshape the center of the cornea. Step 5, the final step, the hinged flap is folded back into its original position. Instructions include person or younger than 18, pregnant or nursing, take certain medications, have a lot of recent changes to your vision perception, have then or uneven corneas, have high conditions such as glaucoma or very dry eyes, have other health issues such as diabetes, lupus, or rheumatoid arthritis. What are the benefits? It ensures it's been around for over 25 years. About 96% of patients reach their vision goals afterward. An enhancement can raise this number even more. There is a very little, if any, pain involved. There aren't any bandages or stitches. If your vision changes as you age, your doctor can adjust it. You probably won't need to use glasses or contact lenses as much or not at all after LASIK. What are the side effects? The side effects include the glare, seeing halos around the images, trouble driving at night, fluctuating vision, dry eyes, scratchy eyes, light sensitivity, small bruises on your eye, etc. So before the surgery, complete eye exam will be done. Surgery to make sure the eyes are healthy. Then the other necessary tests and checkups will be done. Patient will sign a content by agreeing all the procedures. So after the surgery, your eyes will be dry even though they may not feel that way. Your doctor will give you prescription eye drops to prevent infection and inflammation as well as drops to keep your eyes moist. You might have a brief slight burning feeling or blurry vision when you are them use them. Final output on the conclusion. Most of the people's visions will stabilize in few days after the surgery. Some people may need second surgery also. It is very possible for the patient to have a vision clearly. So that's all. Hope it's useful content to you. So thank you all. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you.